Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to choose chat history access on Messenger. So let's get started. So here we are, and then as you can see right here, you should be seeing this one right here once you have done this correctly. So from here you can choose however you would want to access your chat history. So in order for this to happen, what we need to do is that we need to go here into our App Store. And then once you're here in your App Store, is that you want to go search for Messenger. And by the way, even if you're in Android, this is basically just the same steps that you would need to take. You can just go into Play Store, search for Messenger, and then from here, you want to make sure that your Messenger is currently updated. So if you have the update button available, then I suggest that you tap on it and update your Messenger app. And then once you're done, then you can just open it and you should be seeing your chat history or you should be seeing how you can access it. So if it is your first time, then you should absolutely see a pop-up on which you can choose how to access your chat history on Messenger. But if this doesn't work, then what you can do is that you can go into your settings. Again, if you're in Android, you can do the same steps. You can go into your settings, go into your Messenger app right here, and then you want to make sure that you have the right permissions available in Messenger. So in your case, you can try and enable all of this right here. And that goes the same if you are in Android. You can enable all of the permissions available on Messenger. And then once you have enabled everything right here, then you can go back into Messenger and see if it has worked. Or if not, then you can restart your device. And then you want to open Messenger again and see if it works. And if it doesn't work again, then what you can do is just reinstall Messenger. So you can delete the Messenger app, delete app. And then once you have deleted that, you want to go back into the App Store and install Messenger from here again. And then after that, then you can open your Messenger app and then you can test out if you now have the pop-up on how you can access your chat history on Messenger. And yeah, those are basically the steps that you would need to take. So I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.